Hello, my name is Sebastian Evans, and I'm one of the assistant golf professionals here at the Stockbridge Golf Club. Today, I wanted to talk about putting. A lot of my students come up to me and tell me that they practice their putting, but they don't see any results. I then will ask them, how are you practicing your putting? And typically, the answers are very similar. They tell me they grab a couple of golf balls, they go over to their practice putting green, and they'll putt around for about 20 minutes. Now granted, you are practicing your putting, however, it's not effective. Today, I'm going to talk about two drills that will help you out with your putting, and it's going to cover the basics, and that is speed and direction. As you can see, I've laid down a couple of clubs about 2 feet past the hole. What this drill is going to do is going to focus on speed. So I have my two clubs about 2 feet behind the hole. This is going to give me a little area of where I want the golf ball to end up. So it's going to force me to at least get the ball to the hole, and if it doesn't go in, it'll be in this area, and I want to make sure it doesn't hit these clubs. I'm going to hit 3 golf balls from about 20 feet. I'm going to try to get all 3 of those golf balls, if they don't go in the hole, to end up in this area. If I get all 3 in, then I'll then move back to 25 feet. So I'm pretty happy with my results. I got all 3 of my putts into my desired zone. With this drill, it's going to help you with your speed, and it's really going to put a purpose to how you practice. Rather than just casually putting around the putting green, now we have a purpose. And as if you can tell, when I first came out here, my first putt, I did it with these. But once I got down to my 3rd putt, well, now there's a little bit of pressure, and it was really important that I got the putt into my desired zone. So when you do go out and practice, make sure you have a purpose and put a little pressure on yourself. It's going to help you prepare when you go out to the golf course. As you can see, I've laid the clubs down a little bit differently this time. I have them very close together, almost kind of forming this track. This drill really focuses on direction. As you can see, I have about a 4 or 5 foot putt here. And the object with these putts, we're trying to make these. So direction is key. Speed is very important as well, but the main focus here is direction, because we're not trying to lag this putt close. We're trying to make it. I have these 2 clubs down, and they're lined up as a track. What I'm going to use these 2 clubs for is I'm going to try to keep my putter inside this track. It really gives me a visual aid of how I want my putter to swing. If my putter goes outside the track, chances are I'm going to miss it. So this is going to put a little bit of restriction on my putting stroke. So I'm going to take my normal stance, and what I'm going to try to do is I'm just going to knock it right in the hole, keeping my putter inside those 2 tracks. I'm going to grab another one here, right in the center. Again, I'm going to keep my putter head inside the tracks here. And that's going to allow me to keep the putter face square, and I'll be able to make more putts. I often encourage students to make about 12 in a row, and then you can move back even further. But the more you do this, you're really going to notice it's going to put some restriction on your putting stroke, and also it's going to build confidence. So next time when you go out to the golf course and you have that 4 or 5 footer to win that Nassau, you'll be able to knock it in with ease. Thanks for watching.